Hello. Let's see how to use the Snip and Sketch tool in Microsoft Windows. Press Windows key, Shift, and S key to open Snip tool. Now, if you look above, you will see four options. Let's select the rectangle option in the first one. It can select the required part of an image in a rectangular shape, paste it in software like Microsoft Word, Paint, etc., and prepare documents, or save it as an image. Now, let's look at the second option. Freeform Snip. You can select an image in the required format and paste it in Microsoft Word and use it. Now, let's look at the third option, Windows Snip. After selecting the tool, click on the window that appears on the desktop. Then, paste it in Microsoft Word. Now, let's look at the fourth, Full Screen Snip. Click on Full Screen Snip here, and it will be desktop screen copy. Now, I can paste it into Microsoft Word and use it. Thank you.